Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 SuperCrew King Ranch. This model is shadow black and accented with a brown lower bottom, two-tone paint job, a chrome-plated King Ranch grille, body-colored lower bumper, black-wrapped tow recovery hooks, and equipped with LED daytime running lights, signal lamps, high beams, low beams, and a pair of halogen fog lamps. This model has active grille shutters with a 3.5-liter V6 Ecoboost turbocharged engine paired to a four-wheel drive system and a 10-speed automatic transmission with auto start-stop technology. At the side, we have King Ranch Edition alloy polished wheels with a painted pocket. We have black mirror caps, black door handles, and black platform running boards, as well as an FX4 off-road package. We have bliss blind spot monitoring, power folding and power heated mirrors, and we have privacy tinted rear windows. Overhead is a twin panel moonroof. At the rear we have LED style tail lamps, reverse lights, rear park sensors, backup camera, and a heavy duty trailer tow package, as well as a power locking tailgate, King Ranch badges, LED box lighting, and box link management system. Inside we have a very unique interior for the King Ranch. We have a wood grain interior accent, a brown interior with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, memory seating, door speakers, and door storage. We have ambient lighting, automatic headlamps, and power adjustable brake pedals. A power heated steering wheel that features cruise control, trackpad for the menu zone, trackpad for the media zone, and a sync voice activated control switch. A flow-through center console, and a unique King Ranch leather. It's two-tone brown and offers heated and cooled seat function with memory and power controls. Overhead, we have the power moonroof with power sunshade, a set of universal garage door openers, map lighting, and an auto-dimming rearview mirror. We have a push-button engine start, and a nice productivity screen for the driver. We have electronic shifting four-wheel drive, a trailer backup system, and an integrated trailer brake controller. We have a Sync 3 touchscreen with navigation, backup camera, Wi-Fi connectivity, hill descent cruise control. We have 6 months of prepaid Sirius satellite radio. We have dual climate control zones, air conditioning, and rear window defrost. 2 smart charge USB ports, a 12-volt 110 power outlet, and another lock and glove box for additional storage. We have second row inflatable seat belts, a flat storage floor, and a 60-40 split bench. We have heated outboard seats, a 12-volt 110 power outlet. We have ambient lighting, storage pockets in the back of the seats, overhead power moonroof and power sunshade, second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.